How to grow a stalactite without leaving home. It's easier than you think. In caves, they take millennia to form, but we can do it in just a few days. Add salt to boiling water until it stops dissolving, creating a super saturated salt solution. Pour it into 2 jars and place them inside a container. Submerge the ends of a cotton cloth strip into the solution and adjust the distance between the jars so that the cloth sags between them. The solution will start soaking into the cloth. When it reaches the lowest point of the sag, it will gather into droplets and fall into the container. If the drops fall too quickly, move the jar slightly apart to reduce the sag. If no drops appear, bring them closer together. Gradually, the water from the cloth will evaporate, but the salt cannot evaporate. It remains and crystallizes, and from top to bottom, drop by drop, a stalactite will grow. The drops that fall into the container land at the bottom. As the water from there also evaporates, a small mound will begin to grow upward. That's a stalagmite. This experiment can take anywhere from a few days to a week. This is exactly how it happens in nature, only instead of salt, it's minerals from rocks that are dissolved and carried by water, and instead of days, it takes millennia. And do you know how to see a similar process without going underground? In winter and early spring, nature creates icy copies of these amazing formations. Icicles on roofs are ice stalactites, and the mounds beneath them are ice stalagmites. The difference is that here, the water doesn't evaporate, it freezes.